and run. That's enough. I'm gonna water real quick. I want to run some slime, and I don't have my slime. So what we're gonna do, because I have way too much shampoo and conditioner, we're gonna put this bottle of shampoo. I don't know what color it is. It might be clear. Oh, it's actually white, pearly color. So we're just gonna pour it into a bowl. It smells good and it smells weird at the same time. Because apparently you're just supposed to put some in here. And I guess you're supposed to put water on top of it. I guess you're supposed to just leave it in there. And then afterwards you check up on it. But I feel like you're supposed to leave it in there for like 10 minutes. And if it doesn't work out, then check it again afterwards. I think I might take and just whatever more is coming out. I think that would be okay. Okay, please tell me that's it. For now. Ooh, yes. That was nice. We're gonna put some of this water right here. Actually, we're gonna just put all this water in there, and then we're gonna shake it up. Because I don't want my tablet to die before this video ends. And I'm gonna post it, so we're gonna put that up on there. And at this point, you might even not need, for me, I'm not even gonna need the water anymore. But I think I might have messed this up, and I think I might be able to do it again. Because if I do mess this up, then I'm SOL or left out. But I'm gonna mix this up a little bit, not too much, because it's looking bad. Actually, it doesn't look bad because I think there's another conditioner in here, but this don't look like it did anything. I'm gonna mix it up all the way because it just put too many bubbles in here, and it's like running in, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna leave it in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna make a watery, but we're gonna make like a bubbly slime because as you see, it's thick, but it's also like pasty. So, and it's really paste bubbly at the top. So we're gonna put just a little bit more at the top. But I felt like we're putting inside. And that's how much water I'm gonna put on top. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the fridge and first we'll put it in, and then I'm gonna come back in like about 10 minutes. And if it didn't work, then I'm gonna leave it in here for like an hour or so. So bye bye.